have not said this word in a long time, and I don't think I have said it for a solo song of one of the guys, but this is different. This is freaking different. Hi, I'm Pierre, and welcome to Neon Reactions. Folks, we are back with Stray Kids, and today we are going to take a look at two solo songs from Han. The one is called Miserable, and the other one is called Volcano. Now, they were released like 10 months ago, both of them, shortly after each other. And back then, I just started getting into Stray Kids, and you were all over me to react to these two songs. But I was thinking to myself, okay, I will get to him eventually, but I do want to take a look at the group for a while. And now that I'm pretty much settled into what they're doing, I'm starting to, like pick out some of the solo songs. We've done a whole bunch here already. And today it's Han's time. So let's do this. Miserable and Volcano. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. And if you have anything to tell me, the comment section is the place to go. But now, I wanted to say it's time to be miserable, but no, it's time for miserable. Let's do this. Whoa! This already has, you can hear this is a production done in the Stray Kids area. I like the sounds. I like this is an ultra clean production. I am loving the guitar. Whatever that person is playing, it is sounding really nice. I want to go back again. I just want to try to figure out what he's playing. Lots of sliding and tapping on the guitar. Nicely played. I like the sound too. It's really cool. Beautiful. Yes. What I like about Stray Kids, and I mean, let's talk about him. What I like about the sound is this very, let's call it back to the roots guitar playing, but then you have this electronic thump of a beat on top that is relentless. The bass is, whoa, the bass is like really pushing. This is a cool sound. And these electric sounds, this, you know what, I'm gonna go back. Just before the beat drops, there's this electronic sound. It's really cool. Wow. Oh, this percussion section is insane. He is flowing somewhere in the middle of the mix. But what stands out for me is actually the percussion. All these sounds, I like that they pushed that up a bit more. Mostly you have the voice actually almost the loudest because it is the most important thing. And we still have him here a bit over the mix, but he's not that far over because whoever mixed this, whoever produced this knew what what a diamond is running in the back. This is cool. This is cool, and I love how he's harmonizing with himself. This is really nice. Oh. Good. Good. This is, I have not said this word in a long time, and I don't think I have said it for a solo song of one of the guys, but this is different. This is freaking different. We've got a song that could work completely with just the guitar and him. And in the end, I would almost think it was composed that way. But then some genius person came in and said, we're gonna put a sick beat on this. It did a freaking good job. I love this. This sounds cool. And Hans sounds really, really nice. Yes. And the lyrics, come on, we all have been there, avoiding, always running far away. And then he said, what did he say? Wait. It's too cold outside. I return to you like a fool. And we sit across the table again. We all have been down that road. My God, this is good. The song, the lyrics, and it has that feel of angst. When he starts rapping, he gets a bit more aggressive. Right when he's saying these words, this is nice. I like his flow here. Yeah. That flow is sick. That is good. And him doubling that with a really high voice in the back at the beginning of that line. No way in the back, really nice. Wow. I have to repeat myself. This is freaking different. The song itself, just taking the guitar and his singing voice here, is so smooth. And then they put a beat on top of that, which just lights fire to firecrackers, which just lights them on, and they are jumping all around. This must be a genius idea. The person who was sitting there producing this, I bet he was smiling all around his head.
corner, take a rewind, take a more. I don't wanna lose a part of me, you are my heart, you know. 내가 떠난 거라면 다시 돌아갈 그대로 방법이 없는 건 진짜 아니잖아.
And that part, the way his voice sounded, the tone of his voice reflects the miserable so well. It's just such a monotonous, monotonous. You know what I mean. Me and my English sometimes, but yeah, no. Now listen to his voice. It's just, it's always on one level. I like that.
I don't wanna lose a part of me, you are my heart, you know. 내가 떠난 거라면 다시 돌아갈 그대로 방법이 없는 건 진짜 아니잖아.
This is good. I like this. This was good. I am actually really glad that I didn't listen to this when it was released, because I would not have understood it in the way I do now. This song for me is almost a masterpiece. I like it a lot. The way the guitars mix in with that really crazy beat and the electronic sounds. I might have liked it 10 months ago, but I wouldn't have understood it or have the appreciation for it that I have now that I know so many Stray Kids songs. This is good. This was a good song. Miserable. Wow. Wow. Really, really cool. Okay, let's move on with, what was it called? Volcano. Okay. Good intro. Oh yes. I love it. This is, once again, this is a nice sound. I like the beat on this one. There are so many aspects of Stray Kids songs that I really enjoy. This is one of them. They've taken the beat back a bit and it sounds like there's a blanket over the speakers somehow. It's not really there, but it's there. I like this dreamy kind of a mix of the instruments and very, very laid back, chill, thoughtful vocals. This is cool. This is cool, but this already sounds much more like a Stray Kids song the way I would know it, but with Han's little twist of it. Nice. We've got a guitar in the back. We've got a couple of little synths going on, but I like the guitar because it's actually not really playing much. It's just strutting along on the strings, and that has an echo on it. It gives it a nice little echoey beat to the whole thing. It's cool. Nice. We've got a nice use of a slight pitch correction auto-tune in the well-known Stray Kids way. They use it for an artistic feel of their vocals, and you absolutely know immediately it's them. I like that you get to know them by that. Yes. Oh, these drums, dum, dum, dum. They sound cool. I wonder what I'm really looking forward to the chorus here. Okay. Yes. Wow. Oh, that was smooth. I like the electric guitars with the distortion, and we're going to listen to the whole chorus again. This is cool. Very cool. The way he went directly into the second verse with rapping, that was cool. That is cool. I like this part. It lets you breathe a whole bunch. This little part here just brings the excitement down again and lets you take a breath, catch a breath just before the volcano erupts again in the chorus. I like that. I like the way the song is structured too. It's cool. This production is also, the sound is so freaking clean and good. That drop, that just, you might think when the pre-chorus hits its highest point that you're there with all kinds of pressure and thump that you're getting, but when that volcano comes in the chorus, it just gives you one more push. This is good.
다시 태어나도 오직 너에게만 난 주고 싶어 뜨거워 내 속삭임 널 생각하면 내 맘 Like a volcano 너의 똑같은 온도의 love 내 땀이 더 크잖아 내게
Yes. Yes. I love his voice. I like it that he goes out of himself sometimes, that he just starts belting, you know, he just does it. He doesn't think much. I like it. Oh yes, good. Is this the end? Good ending. Oh, this was nice. We ended on the same muffled, dreamy vibe we had in the beginning. This was cool. This was cool. Both songs absolutely good. And as I said, I am glad that I'm listening to them now and didn't do that when I just started off with Stray Kids. This one here, Volcano, was more of a Stray Kids song, definitely. The build-up, the pre-chorus, the chorus, you could immediately hear by the way the song is structured, by the way the instruments that were used. I would say the basic harmonies and melodies was very Stray Kids, but very good. I like his voice. I like it that I hear him for a whole song and not only for a couple of lines. But the first song, I really enjoyed that one. And now I can't even remember what it was called. Jesus Christ, I'm going nuts. Miserable. Yes, it was Miserable. That one was pure genius. Wow. Folks, thank you. Thank you all for sticking around. Thank you for waiting on me for doing another Stray Kids thing. I know I have been lacking Stray Kids a little bit, but there are so many groups out there that I want to listen to, so many songs and so much music that I do not know yet. So I'm trying to broaden my horizon and take a peek at everything. But this was a good one today. You guys take care, stay safe, and as I always say, saranghae, annyeong. Until the next time.